Hey guys, welcome to Nko Media, and thank you so much for your love and support. I am Nkiru. Today we are cooking another special delicacy, goat meat pepper soup. This is the tastiest goat meat pepper soup I've ever eaten, and I bet you will agree with me when you try it. Let's cook. I'll list full ingredients in the description box. In a large pot, add pre-washed goat meat. Observe that the meat is cut in bite sizes, which is optional. Add pepper soup mix. This is the key ingredient of this recipe. You may find it in ethnic stores or Amazon, but I will upload a video of my spice mix. So I got you. Add a chunk of uhio. This takes pepper soup a notch higher. No wonder it's called soup perfume. Add chicken bouillon or knorr powder. Grind scotch bonnet peppers and onion and add to the pot. Remember, scotch bonnet peppers are very hot. Rinse the blender with water and add in the pot. Add enough water to cover the meat. Mix it to combine. Cover it and cook until the meat becomes fully cooked or soft to your taste. This will take about 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on how soft you want it. Meanwhile, taste for seasonings and adjust as needed. Add more water if the soup is too thick for you. When the meat is fully cooked, crush dry otazi leaves between your palms and add it to the soup. Mix to combine very well, and the most delicious goat meat pepper soup you have ever eaten is ready. Go ahead and enjoy this spectacular delicacy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us thumbs up please and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so and hit the notification button so you will be informed when I post a new video. Your support means so much to me. Watch out for the video of my special pepper soup spice mix. I love you all. Bye for now.